In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on Messenger app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger. Then tap right here at 3 lines, and then tap Add Gear to head over to Settings. On Settings, we can easily find Privacy and Safety. And that's where we can easily find blocked accounts. If we get into it, it will show us all the users we have blocked on Facebook and Facebook Messenger. To unblock a user, first off, we need to tap on it. At the very top, it says Unblock Messages and Calls. By hitting at that feature, we can easily unblock a user on Messenger. To confirm it, hit Add Unblock. After a couple of seconds, the user is unblocked. In some cases, it may show you that situation where we cannot tap right here because it is grayed out. However, it says down below here that we'll need to unblock that user on Facebook to unblock them on Messenger because the user is currently blocked on Facebook. So to continue, we need to tap right here at Unblock on Facebook, and then in the same way tap at Unblock. After a couple of seconds, the user is unblocked, and as you can see, it is now not blocked on Facebook Messenger, so we can get messages and calls from that user now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.